So I've been very busy these past weeks working on my report to submit for the Pacific DataViz challenge. So I'm recording this video on the 20th of July, and this challenge is due at the end of the month, the 31st of July. And one of the requirements for this challenge, I'll just scroll down. One of the requirements for this challenge is data storytelling. So data storytelling is the practice of using data, visuals, and narrative elements to convey insights and messages in a compelling and understandable way. It combines data analysis, visualization, and storytelling techniques to help audiences understand and engage with the information being presented. So here are the key components of data storytelling. We have the data, the narrative, and the visuals. So to help me in this Pacific DataViz challenge, I'm currently reading Storytelling with Data, a data visualization guide for business professionals by Cole Nussbaumer Knaflic. Excuse me if I didn't pronounce the surname correctly. This book has been very helpful to me as I'm working through my project, and I want to share with you all 3 standout concepts. Firstly, the 3-minute story. So in the 3-minute story, Cole emphasizes the importance of being able to convey the essence of your data story in just 3 minutes. So this technique helps you focus on the most critical points and ensures that your audience quickly grasps the key message without getting lost in the details. The second concept is the big idea. So this concept is all about clarity. So Cole teaches us to identify and articulate the most single important takeaway from our data. So by centering our narrative around this big idea, we can create a powerful and cohesive story that sticks with our audience. And finally, storyboarding. So Cole introduces the idea of storyboarding your data presentation, much like you would for a film or a novel. So this process involves planning out the flow and structure of your story in advance, ensuring a logical progression and a compelling narrative. So I highly recommend you get a copy of a book. So after the challenge, after I submit my report for the Pacific DataViz challenge, I'll do a complete video on that, on the process I went through to creating my report. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next video.